What's up, guys? We are in my 2012 Civic Si today. I got a reverse camera and we're going to be putting that in. Figured if somebody wanted to get some knowledge from that, definitely glean that from this video. But yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be pulling the dash parts, and that's what we're sitting in right now, is the Civic. But yeah, you'll see us pull the dash and all the wiring and everything that goes with that. Comes with a cool wiring harness, the cable to run it to the back, and handy dandy camera. And it came with a little hole saw. So stay tuned and you might learn something today.
Alright guys, to get the dash out, first you just gotta pull this lower section out.
You gotta give her some gusto. There we go. This side isn't one to pop out. There we go.
Easy as that. This top section should just pop right out as well. There's gonna be two plugs, one right here.
Oh,
one
there we go.
there. Alright, this section is pretty much ready to come out. Now it's gotta undo these.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop the steering wheel there.
Drop the steering wheel and then undo these clips that are right behind.
Yeah.
Or plugs, rather.
Yeah, that's one's for the traction control and the other one's for the hazard light. And I gotta figure out how to. There it is. Okay, that one's undone. And then boom. And that should just come right out.
Section 2 out. Alright, to get the top section to get to the IMED, you just gotta take these two screws out.
There's that one right there. That guy, and then this guy right here. Let's always put them back.
Right, 3 screws.
There we go.
Alright, then the top section.
Alright, so we're kind of wrestling with it for a minute, but basically you want to pull like kind of toward you because the angle of the clips face outward. So it's going to be a kind of a pain in the butt, so you got to give it a little bit of elbow grease. Be careful though, because you don't want to crack your dash. There we go.
And then
One good pull, and she comes out.
out she comes.
Oh, it looks like a head scoop.
Alright, now here's the IMED. We just need to get access to the harness behind it.
It's a good thing it's actually pretty nice today.
Alright, yeah, I just need to remove a screw right there. And a screw right there.
There's one right there.
There's another screw right there.
Yeah, so 3 screws total, looks like.
Screw number 4.
Oh, don't drop it. Is this magnetized?
Nope. Alright. So 5 screws. Alright, now she should come right out.
Boom. Alright, so that should come forward.
Yep, and we have some harnesses on the back. We'll have to unplug.
Yep.
To get in there.
So we got our IMED out,
IMED's out.
and then we have our new harness here. Okay, so this is our signal wire for the camera. It's actually what lets us see the camera. This is our reverse signal, which we will need to hook up to
Something to tell it that it's in reverse, whether it be the reverse light bulb or something like that.
Yeah.
So we'll figure that out.
Yeah.
What we want to use.
So yeah, this is what will.
That just activates it.
Yeah, this turns it on. This is for the camera so we can see, and then this bad boy is the mating harness to let it all work. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna plug this up here, and then we'll start piecing it back to the rear.
Alright guys, we got the harness plugged in. We're gonna work on routing these wires down here and then tucking it all through the panels to get back to the rear. Alright guys, we got the IMED back in. We have the wires ran through here.
Yep.
And through the back. Now, time to go wire it all in. See if it works. Alright guys, so we have camera input,
El Camera.
the camera, power ground, and signal. Let's get it all wired in. Alright guys, we were just testing it, see if we got it, and boom.
Boom.
Alright, now we just need to actually put it in the correct spot, tuck out all the wiring.
Make it pretty again.
Yeah, make it all pretty. All the wiring is kind of out here. Clean all that up. Get the camera actually put in its spot. And should be good. So yeah, if you're doing this at home, most of these, I've noticed, have plug and play harnesses. So you'll plug your harness in the iMid, run your wiring to the rear, and then just find a 12 volt source and signal to trigger the camera, and pretty much you got it from there. It's pretty straightforward.
Hi guys, so we got the camera mounted right here with the drill bit they gave us. All we did was we just drilled a little hole as close to the plate light as we could to get us the center as we could. There's 5 spots where that little plastic piece hooks. There's 4 tabs, and there's actually 1 bolt hole, and we utilized that hole to bring our wire in, and then we just kind of tucked it up with the OE looming down to where we have all the rest of the wire running to the front of the car. But yeah, we got the cameras all mounted up. Now all we got to do is get the plastics up and on the dash, and it's good. Just button her up and we're done.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up.
Yeah, we got
That's gonna wrap up from this one.
Yeah, we got the dash all buttoned back up, all the wires tucked, the camera works perfectly, centered, all perfect. Which is so nice. So nice having a reverse camera now. So, but that's all we're gonna do for that. Hopefully next week, the Honda bus, the old school bus, hopefully we'll have the standalone in, get the wiring started on that.
Yeah, we have the engine back out because we still need to get the clutch for it, and it'll hopefully be going right back in soon. Next video, we should be getting the ECU.
Right. That'll be coming in. I mean, it's just a few big steps away from being done, mounted, running.
Right.
So, yeah, hopefully next video, that's what you guys will be seeing.
Yeah, we'll be basically making the engine harness for it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, whatever we're supposed to say right here, and thanks for watching. See ya.
Peace.